This is Mr. Beast. He makes millions of dollars a month for creating YouTube videos. But the bad part is that he has to show his face. He cannot go to the store to buy something, walk in the park, or even walk down the street without being recognized. His whole business depends on him. But what would it be not to have to show your face or your voice and still make millions of dollars a month? In today's video, I will show you 5 cash cow channels that you can start today to make thousands of dollars a month or even millions. Channel number 1. Whiteboard Crypto. This channel has around 500k views per month, and all they do is creating videos with different crypto terms explained. Since this channel is in the finance niche, they most likely make between $5,000 and $10,000 per month. And the good part about this channel is that it is in a niche that is constantly developing, and more people are interested in crypto. Also, YouTube channels in the crypto niche end up making another thousands of dollars from brand deals. Different coin or exchanges creators may come to you and pay you to make a video explaining with what their coin is and how it works. Also, in the crypto world, there are a lot of new terms that require a more detailed explanation. To create such videos yourself, all you need is software that will do all the animation for you, such as VIDEOSCRIBE. I will leave you links in the description if you are interested in this type of video. Channel number 2. Luxury Zone. This channel makes different videos about expensive things, but also about rich people and celebrities. As most people dream of becoming rich, some of them will look for these types of videos because they give them some motivation, and some of them are simply curious about these videos. The luxury niche is also a niche with a high RPM, and according to Social Blade, this channel has around 2.4 million views per month, who may bringing it an income of up to almost $10,000 per month. However, this channel probably makes between $10,000 and $25,000 a month from AdSense alone. If we were to take into account different offers from brand deals or different affiliate links, most likely this channel makes at least $50,000 per month. Channel number 3. Bestie. This channel has 4.3 million subscribers, and the best video on the channel has 14 million views, another video with 11 million, 10 million, or 9 million views. The reason why these videos have so many views is because these videos appear in YouTube search due to the keywords used. And because the videos are part of the health niche, many of the views of these videos also come from recommendations. The health niche is one of the best niches you can start in. Even if the competition is quite high, this type of niche will never disappear and will continue to make views every single day. There will always be interest in this type of videos because most people care about their health and are looking for different ways to become healthier. And because health is an important aspect of people's lives, most of them will be willing to invest in different products to make them healthier. If you create videos that solve a problem, you will be able to make thousands of dollars just from promoting affiliate links for products on ClickBank, Digistore24, or other affiliate marketing sites. Channel number 4. Real Science. This channel posts different videos about science such as the insane biology of sloths, the insane evolution of flight, or the insane biology of the seahorse. The most popular video on the channel is from 2 years ago and has around 11 million views. The Real Science channel has over 1 million subscribers, and the posted videos gather around 3.8 million views per month, which converted into income would mean between $10,000 and $30,000 per month. The channel also promotes an affiliate link, which most likely produces several $1,000s more. If we take a look at the videos, we can see that they are simple videos with a voiceover and different stock footage or YouTube videos combined in one video. These videos are quite easy to make. You can take care of them yourself, or you can hire a team of freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork who will do all the work for you. Channel number 5. Voyager is a channel with about 200k subscribers which produces different videos about space. This channel, in the last 30 days, gathered over 1.7 million views that produce between $5,000 and $20,000 per month. The most popular video on this channel is from a year ago and has over 2.8 million views. This channel was created in July 2020 and has gathered approximately 200k subscribers and over 38 million views in just 2 years. The reason why they managed to gather this number of subscribers and views in such a short time is due to the niche in which they are. Space niche is one of the best niches in which you can create content because the competition is quite low and people like to watch videos about the unknown space. And also, the RPM in this niche is quite high, between $3 and $12 per 1,000 views. This was a top 5 best cash cow channels, but there are certainly many more cash cow channels that you can start and make a lot of money. Write in the comments in what kind of niches you are interested in starting a YouTube channel, and maybe I will make a separate video about that niche.